How to mute a Slack channel. If you have been using the Slack application and wondering on how to mute a channel on it, don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to do it, so let's get started. First of all, open the Slack application, just like this. After opening it, you will find something like this on your home screen. Now, to mute a Slack channel, first of all, locate the channel that you want to mute. Just like this, so here are the channels right here on the home page. Now to mute the channel, simply keep on tapping on one of the channels, just like this. And then here you can find mute channel option right here. Tap on it. And now you can see the channel has been muted. Now do the same process to mute other channels as well. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.